Just another beautiful day at the beach down here in Southwest Florida. Water is definitely on the rough side for the Gulf, but I love hearing all the waves. Don't know how far I will venture out into the water today, with it being this rough, but it sure is nice to be out here at the beach. Perfect beach weather day. The only beach birdies I've seen today are pigeons, which I don't know that I would count as beach birds per se. But hey, who doesn't want to enjoy the beach, right? Lots of boats out today. There's only a couple I see out there right now. I don't know if you guys can see them in the video or not. But when the drawbridge up, try that again, Melissa. When the drawbridge was up, when I came out here, there were quite a few going through. Yeah, I'm definitely glad I came a little south. Not as many people. And not quite as big of a hike to get to the water. Has a little bit more shells on it than Longboat and Siesta do, so it's a little rougher to walk on without shoes, but I guess it's just a natural pedicure, right? Alrighty, kids, I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day.